Tropical Hawaiian flavors and lean, healthy proteins go naturally together and are very popular these days. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Kona Turkey Bowl using ready-to-cook turkey breast, black rice, quinoa, nuts, and seaweed. Let's get started by making our delicious marinade for our turkey. I'm going to combine soy sauce, vegetable oil, sesame oil, honey, some lemon juice, mirin, grated ginger and garlic, salt, and white pepper. And I'm going to mix this together really well. I've sliced my turkey breast into 10 to 12 even slices about an inch thick. And I'm going to add them to the marinade and make sure that they're evenly coated. And we're going to let that marinate for about an hour. Make sure to cover it and refrigerate it until it's ready to grill. While the turkey's marinating, we're going to prepare the rest of the ingredients for our bowl. Here I have some wakame seaweed. It's very high in antioxidants. I've poured a cup of water over the dry seaweed and I've let it expand for about 5 minutes. I'm going to prepare our kale in a large bowl. I'm going to add some soy sauce, sesame oil, grated ginger, some lemon juice, and some salt. We're massaging the kale because I want to make it a little bit more palatable. It'll soften the texture and make it easier to enjoy. Now we're ready to grill our turkey. We're going to remove our turkey from the marinade and create grill marks on both sides. I've chosen this cut of turkey because of its size. It's the perfect portion for this recipe, as well as the fact that it's easy to absorb that marinade and it cooks very quickly. When the turkey's done, set it aside to cool on a rack, and then we're going to slice it into 1/2-inch strips for the bowl. Make sure that when you slice it, that we're going to slice it against the grain. We know that turkey is very, very tender on its own, but this technique will make it even more tender, and it'll look great on the plate. Take a look at all the beautiful colors and textures that go into making this Kona Turkey Bowl. Let's assemble it. We're going to make the base of the bowl by adding some of the massaged kale, and then let's alternate all these colors so that each of them shines. I'm going to add some quinoa, some forbidden black rice, some of our soaked wakame seaweed, some grilled pineapple, some sliced avocado. I'm going to fan this avocado out. A little bit of pickled ginger. I like the pink variety because it has a really nice color contrast for the rest of the ingredients here. Some toasted macadamia nuts. The macadamia nuts are full of flavor and add a really nice crunch to this dish. And then we're going to fan our turkey right over the top of all of these beautiful ingredients. Look how delicious that looks. Last is to sprinkle with a bit of togarashi. This is a Japanese spiced seasoning that contains sesame seed and a little bit more seaweed. Look how delicious this looks. Your guests are just going to love the tropical flavors of the Kona Turkey Bowl.